Okay, so the next section we're going to do is we're going to try and get our database to show, well, a warning message if we put in the wrong data. This is the male and female column, and I'm going to write in person. I should be writing in either male or female, but I'm going to see if I can get a warning message to come up. Okay, so I've put it in person, I'm hitting enter, and this pop-up will come up. So say I enter either male or female. Now what I would like to do is to try and create one of these warning messages. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to my design view and go to my male and female section. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put in something called a validation rule, and that means that I have to put in very specific pieces of writing. So it's the male and female, so I want to make sure that the person writes in either male or female. So I'm going to put in my quotation marks, and press shift and 2 if you're not sure what that is, and I'm going to male and close the quotation marks, and then I'm going to write or, and then female. Again, I'm putting the quotation marks around it. Okay, so that's what I've told the database so far, that the person entering the information can either write male or female. What I'm going to do next then is I'm going to create a validation text, which really means what's going to come up when I create this warning. Okay, so what I'm going to say is please enter either, I keep a small e, either male or female. Okay, so that's the warning message that will come up if someone enters the wrong thing. Now you can write whatever you want, but something like that would be quite good. Okay, you might even get rid of the either, just say please enter male or female. Okay, what we'll do then is we'll go back to our design, our primary view. I'm going to save it first, so click yes, and take us back here. Okay, now before I go back there, what I'd like you to do is, can you take a print screen of this? Okay, so take a print screen and then label it, explain what the validation rule means. So obviously that's going to only allow people to either enter female or male into that cell, and then explain what the validation text is and what it does. So obviously a little warning thing comes up to remind the person that they either need to enter male or female. So you might want to print screen that now and label it, and then pause the video. Okay, so hopefully you've done your print screen and you've labeled it and explained what male and female means, excuse me, and that only male and female can be entered. What we're going to do now is we're going to go back to our database and we're going to show that this actually works. So I'm going to go to the bottom one here and I'm going to write something in. So I'm going to write person. You might want to write dog, cat, anything that's not a swear word. Please do not swear in your coursework. I'm going to write person, and I'm going to hit enter, and if I've done the validation message right, a warning like this should pop up. What I'd like you to do is to take a print screen of this warning and stick it into your evidence. Can you explain what the warning does and how you created it?